Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and I'm coming back on again because I have another parcel here somewhere. Well, it's in the bag here. And this one is from, let me see, S. Johnson. I think her name is Sue Johnson. Look what she's done. She's made me this gorgeous envelope with her paper. I'd say this is paper that she's made, and then she stuck all the bits all over the envelope. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that awesome? Oh, I do like this. Oh, thank you so much. Be able to keep this and put it onto something, won't I? I'll just cover up the address and I'll be able to put it on something. Now I'm going to have to get in here without causing too much trouble, I hope. There's something right up both ends though. Hang on a minute. I might be able to get this one. No. I might go across the top of it here. Really careful. But she's also covered it with plastic or tape. She's also got tape on it. And if I'm cutting up everything that's in there, I'm going to cry. Look at that, I didn't. Well, okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, my goodness me, Sue. Thank you. I'm sure your name is Sue Johnson. I'm sure it is. I hope that I got that right. You must have a bit of a card in here for me somewhere. I'll have a look. Wait a minute. This is a good size Ziploc bag. Yes, it's Suzanne Johnston. I do see your YouTube channel a bit, Susan. I really do like your work, and this is awesome. Oh, I love the bird. Isn't he cool? Oh dear. I do love him. Thank you so much, and I love his boots. Look at his boots. You got little stripy legs. Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much for making that for me. He's so cool, isn't he? Thank you. And Susan lives in Queensland. And I do see her channel many times. Thank you so much, Susan. I do love that little birdie. He's beautiful, and he'll find a place in what I'm doing. Oh, she's put a nice piece of cardboard. This is the best Ziploc bag. I've never seen them this big before. That's a beauty. Oh my goodness me! Look what I've got here, and she's made me this beautiful tag. Look at that. Oh dear. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, Susan, thank you so much for this, darling. And this is congratulations on 5 years on YouTube. I always enjoy your videos, and am really looking forward to seeing the finished Gypsy book and the dollhouse. Well, the dollhouse is my husband keeps saying it's derelict because it hasn't got anything done to it yet. And the Gypsy thing journal, I'll be working on that today, I hope, and finishing that shortly, because I really need to get that done before I do too much more, okay? Because I know everybody's looking forward to seeing it, because once you start something, but things happen through your day and in your life, and you just find it a little bit harder to, you know. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the fabric. I couldn't decide which one to give you, so I had to send them both. That's a terrible problem, isn't it, Susan? Thank you so much, darling. That is beautiful. I love that tag. I really do. This die cut's really cool. That one there, you know. So look at that. It's really intricate, isn't it? Oh, I need to use my things too, you know. I just don't have a lot of room to be doing that. I'm in a very small, squished little space here, and I don't have a lot of room to get out too much at a time to do things, which is a shame. But anyway, I can start. I love this tag. I love the tag. I love all about it, and it says be happy and smile. Well, I'll try really hard. I am really, really so blessed to have all you wonderful subbies that are sending me this lovely stuff. Thank you so much, Susan. That I do love that tag. It is very, very nice. I'm running out of space to put all the really lovely things people are sending me, but I won't. I'll be finding somewhere. I'll have to build upstairs in here. I need a mezzanine, don't I, going around the top? Okay, look at this. Oh, I love the flower. Oh, do I love flowers? I love made flowers. I do. Got some beautiful flowers people have made for me. Look at this. Oh, and the one in the middle. Look at the little fella in the middle. Isn't that cool? Oh dear, isn't that strange? I made one for Debbie Vignola with this same little flower, but it's white. That's really strange thing that we did. Yeah. Oh, it's not exactly the same, but that little flower sort there. I do love, and she's made this beautiful. It is so lovely, and oh, that's a good idea, isn't it? Put the nice die cut on the back. That's finished off. Amazing. That is so lovely. Thank you so much for that, Susan. I do love him. He's pretty colours too. Really nice flower. And he, oh, look what I've got in this other bag. Oh, wow, look what I've got in. Wow. Oh, I've got velvet trim. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh, look, isn't that good? Oh, look at that. That's in my gypsy book already. It's going in there. Thank you. Oh, isn't this nice? Oh, it's so beautiful and soft. It's lovely. Haven't seen any much of this about this velvet ribbon. You don't sort of get it. I bought some apricot a while back. I've been saving a tiny piece of green forever. Look at that. Isn't this nice? Thank you so much, Susan. Love the green. Oh, I do love all of that. Thank you. Wow. I'm going to have to roll him back up and put him back in here. Look at this. I got, oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That's neat. That'd go around a book really good, wouldn't it? That'd go around the book really nicely. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much. I do love that. Thank you. It's soft, very soft suede with the eyelet through it. Oh, isn't that good? I do love that. Thank you so much for that, Susan. That is brilliant. Thank you. And this one, oh, I do like this. Oh, look at it open. I do love things like that. I do. They're so oh, you people are so good to me. I'm so lucky. I've got such a lovely people out there. They're so good to me. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? Wow. Thank you. I do love that. I think I had something that was lighter than this somewhere one time. I must have it somewhere. I don't know, but isn't that nice? Thank you. That'd look really good at a window, wouldn't it? You know, a window or a door on something that you were doing. There's lots of plans for that. There's lots of plans for all these beautiful things. Thank you so much to everybody for sending me this wonderful stuff. I really, really love it. Thank you so much. And be so kind. Thank you so much for this. I want to just roll this back up in here and put it away. Okay. And you know what? I've made over 1,000 videos. I've made over 1,000 videos. So when I find out which one is my 1,000th video, I'm going to have to go and have a look and see what's on there, won't I? And see what it is. I don't know which one it is. I noticed today when I looked that I have 1,000. Thank you so much, Susan. This is so beautiful. I really, really love this. And you know what? I forgot to show you the fabric. Well, I haven't. I'm still here. Look. Oh! Oh, look at this. Oh, my. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, dear. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, Susan, that is beautiful. Oh, I got a piece the other day that had like this, how they do the crewel embroidery work, this beautiful, there's a name for this way of, oh dear, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. The colours are beautiful and it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh, look everybody, isn't this so pretty? Isn't this so pretty? Oh, what am I going to do with this so I can see it every day? Oh, isn't this lovely? It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, Susan, I love this. Oh, wow. High fashion fabric. Oh, dear. Oh, I do love that. Oh, I do love that. Patterns and the colours. It's all awesome. Look at it. Isn't this lovely? Oh, I hope I can find something to do that justice. And this one too. This is just beautiful. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Oh, dear. Oh, look at that. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh, dear, everybody. Isn't it nice? I've got it around the wrong way. Sorry. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't it lovely? Oh dear, thank you so much. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, I do love it. Thank you so much for all these beautiful, wonderful things you've sent to me. And my beautiful little birdie. He's so beautiful, this birdie. I love him. I did do a few myself one time, little birds on thing, but not like this. This is so good. So good. Thank you, Susan. I really do love this. Thank you so much, darling. I appreciate that. And thank you, everybody, for watching. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.